Hello, my people. Good evening. A very, very quick one. Very, very, very quick one. Very, very quick one. Very, very, very quick one. Hello, my amazing people. Wahala Dey. Wahala Dey. Hope you guys are doing fine. Happy New Week to every one of you. A very quick one, my people. To iye-eki, one of UK. Iye-eki, one your message now. Please, guys, help me to share this video. As I they go for Facebook, I can't see the video where iye-eki, one of UK, they cry. The thing really touched me. I see they cry. Iye-eki, have I seen the Arian one? Good evening, my darling. Have I seen the Arian one? Iye-eki, Guijo, wa meti lue. Wa overcome me here. Mata dota mawena. Osaloba no la wo. Negi mafia wo. Ohone bagbos no re social media we ni meje o. Ni me o no wo. Ero saloba no la wo. Negi ami ko mi dan. When I ignore me, especially me not concern life for one. Osaloba negi mi dori awa hwe. Awe ija amame no gwanjo begeni. Especially Ibiedo ni mahini take away young grandmother, young lady that you are, and a young grandmother like me. That is the reason I'm sending you this message. Take this video, this message, you marry here, you feel who were not important. Use it, and you will remember me. Any kata sin, iye-eki. Every when we know a problem in another na osalo bua mi na leruna na hena we spirits of depression osalo bua na gela my gbe na luima. Understand? Ugariege ne that spirit ni una wariege ne salo bua na gariege the spirit of depression o wa lawe erenomunya ohima o lawe gbeni o wa zanzan seto. But umanariege ne una feel when no, I need to be strong. No matter what, I need to stand for myself. Egboga kan of your whole life. Once una think nani, you will overcome that spirit. I'm telling you. You will overcome that spirit. I'm telling you. Iye-eki, there is no amount of money anybody can hear no. Egbe message now. There is no amount of money no matter pa adia we job no. Don't hear say we low. Uga ka nego be Nigeria. Like for example where asakate ume like 20 million. Anadori eba we. Okay, it will come a long way. But una can't be go be on account ye. Good evening, my darling Mary. How are you doing? Umana can't be go be on. Oh, when I don't let 10 million ye no. Ese ebi can't be no kokomo. Oh, me we magije Nigeria there. Umagije Nigeria there. Emi can't be Nigeria. I'm telling you. Even no amaleji say ye no kokomo. Akateri amaleji no ye mi ogwo pare I was so wa. Ye no kokomo. I give me oge 500 naira. Ereki. I miss no for na ji anytime na ya leva ekeka. Umi anytime na ji oge 100 naira. Ero ye no kokomo. Let me tell you. You know dey. You know dey. Good evening, bros. How you dey? Emi kan gbebe Nigeria ye no kokomo. Where your boy you gonna want get we ke fi obo yo all hoyi. Except a Catania no Nigeria. Where there is no way na kateria ya leva a manage no manage de no for long time and na Nigeria na don say over 20 something years ago. We magi do a body there. Okay, we do time make after many years we we are say Nigeria. We are meti cope. O wa ye la makpa leva I already hear yo. O wa ye okpa leva I already la majo. I already hear people here jo. Who makes him a darling sister? The only thing no ya overcome is stress na ya fe. No wajena. Let me tell you something. Is to stand up and stand strong. Tame a meti we no. Egboga kan of your like good evening, sweetie. Good evening, everybody. Who can we a spirit dana no room of work bena, spirit of distraction, spirit of laziness, a spirit no your man see a backward now. Babari enyo moriori. Jenu kokomo. Umasi ke no stand. Even okay, no okay, Let me tell you. Do you understand? Let me tell you. E no se na do you de na no Eko ya ballon me video no ya vie. Eko ya gele ballon me jo. But there is nothing I can do. Did you know why? Especially man relocate ye gbe de relocate ye a country of na. Good evening, Madali Ameze. Good evening, everyone. Awaru le do e zai. Mo ze na mi person si koko. Waga ki on man. We anaki de ni amana win na be. We bona. E gometi me wanera no tori no mana yari eva they not they do o. Now wetin you give them, now they give you back. If you work now for a year, the money where you take pay for tax, government will carry and come. They go carry the one where they want take. They will share and go here, share and go here, share and go here, share and go here, share and go here. The one where you remain, they will constantly take, go pay for your person. Yeah, here way. Nogi ke, good evening, Madali of your lover. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Joe. Good evening, Wala. Good evening, Edizu Bekia. Good evening, everyone. Nogi kevo, government do ari no ma back wa file every year that a tax refund. Imagine what a Italy is pay manati a seeing that. But general name that is tax refund. Na file every year. Nogi kenny, government do ari no where it be. Gay, jenu kokomo. Just get out for your mind. Say, any nyokpa na igo na calculate na ari enu ebe dene no ko na 10 million no my darling sister. You no go reach you to do anything. Emi kan gbere Nigeria je no kokoma. I tell you, no be say tell me tell you. Nigeria ge na kaje. Good evening, my darling John. Good evening, everyone. Na kaje. Iwe nita, women ni 100 naira dereke. We anytime in Medero, Robert Costards. What am I at? We would my love. A Robert Costards. There 60,000 naira. Imagine Nigeria Medero. In a day, 3 rubber, almost 200,000 naira. In a year, 800,000 naira. Ariye kibi agbon iri uhe. 1 naira malele mekpabe kie. Ipo baire. Things are really expensive. Nana we mi kan. Evi geleka mega se delevi beso me one man de Nigeria we na ya copy papa we mi soke 100 naira zeveki ibi agbon ni ruhe wa kan dizoko me so me 2,000 naira u ga di doke va 500 or 300 depends of robbers adinuna de u dori mi ogwojo u gbeso won wa no ri dodokin u gbeso wa no ri ebisukin Ute wari ebe 2,000 wagba. Iga like your baby ya de pepper rice. And then you got your doggy Jenny. And then you must spend ya kioba. You spend the 15,000. And then you your mama twist. The Siloko Road. You spend the 20,000 naira. Imoto every blessed day 30,000 naira. Uafi okpemoto kian. Umwebeno ya riera ene. Imoto no kwa. Eko wavon. Bebe you ane tanki no ave de. 30,000 for a day, you tank you bege, ladion ye zegele, the other day, ote uvu vaker wesi of phonesi. Jenu kokomo for 3 weeks, I spent for Nigeria for January. Not be say, tell me, make I tell you, my people, I spent less than 4 million. Both my hotel fees, fuel money, and the money we are take chop. Project we are go do, you not join with the money, okay? Or my deba. The expenses in the white juice, every day we are there for 30,000 naira. Every blessed day. Every man. Ya rugi moto. But so ye POS, nana neke, etinye katime, ya pay me POS. Eta deputy me mo ama we make no yakpa because you go no real account me once over where ya set alarm me wa ye wana. Good evening, mommy. Constance. How you dey, my love? You understand? Je nu kokomo. He touched me because of yet to that is Soviet to monkey. You are my Benin sister and you are a young grandmother like me. Avasi ni ariye nu na je nu kokomo wa ariye oga favor we. Ami o wan when I come out je nu kokomo. Okone gbagbagba no metin uwe ke je nu kokomo. Etinu we ya vie na je nu kokomo. Você no manaka me spirit or anywhere, iwa venu ya strong in the boy. Anything by tea yenu kokomo. Ya gwalo no winner. Nuriye veki aore. Yenu kokomo. Umana start no strong. The spirit of that depression. No jorion ya ni weni no je veya. Ame veya la dianwa weni. Umana start nuri buke yenu kokomo Unari a chance in O salopa ne gami okwe mitan. Of you lere no munya hiya. Of your logian or Bob your logian or when I meet it tell you. While you are vasting when you will remember me. I'm telling you. Go and look for anything by tea job. Emitari mo boy ya kwa levi no ma. While you emitari mo boy ya kwa levi no ma. Ezega ye who will rejoice. Who understand the yenu kokomo. Manivye dosu o mama mwe last de demede. O mona biebu who even know what je. It's a pity where Mande Africa so are ye webo ma afia nyakpe. Usoji ma ya fefefe ya la webo na kelon loto kelon luku ke yawo. A o senya ya hima. Now me they tell you my sister. Every vienu stand up again kokomo. You cannot hold passport. You will be crying yenu kokomo hello. E maniye 6 months won pobe baduro. Ya ye gwa le daily bread. Nirie 1 year mo boy yenu kokomo. They are still looking for their daily bread. Nirie 2 years in mobo, erioji. Nirie 5 years in mobo, eriaji. Ama iwo ga pata of all the whole share documents. I give me no give a passport. Jenu kokomo, you cannot hold passports. Who are via jenu kokomo. I'm sorry. It may sound like all this strange, but pick Kevin it. And I take offense because saga. Imagine eba do taba wena. O salo bwabe ni kawe bokpanya o wa litini as a spirit of a mother and a grandmother. Or litini do send the message in agwe. When my way, o yeso gbe no gbe can't arate mari. But megire ni agbera mani ni. Cause o salo bwage no paso no dagan weban. I will never be happy. You go no ate kun abagbon. O magwe ni get kun women. O gba no abo. O magwe ni ebo women. Imoto no ade. O magwe ni dead women. Eye na guda. O magwe na refe. So we ake go agogo ye da for mani wane. Never. Salobana with the spirit in your me call. Yenu kokomo. Please, my sister. Stand up for yourself. La wo. O momo ga to bekin we de na yenu kokomo. As a mother, who be yet you bude never el. Area ya live a life. Yenu kokomo. Stand up. Go and look for any job. Aga go alu gwa tun guo ame. Ekene pinao o won iri yero. You are very strong and healthy. Yenu kokomo, stand up. Go and look for a job. Ekeni munari aje. Awe kile for awasi no. Yaswe. Awe winu bono jenu kokomo. Oge for awasi. Yaswe. Jenu kokomo. Ami ekenake suse. Ekenake mavagbon. Aka. Understanding it. Stand up on your feet. Yenu kokomo. Oh no, when I'm with you, no, this one is not real you, but you don't know. I'm telling you, this one is not real you. A spirit in me, oh God, or you in me, a spirit in me, okay, a depression. You can't understand. I'll get some way. Who can't understand it now? So the level no say Romana onu ya win na na gwagwalo na iri owa ya adu eki owa all those kind things. Who the wrong thickness oh we were thinking about you don't know. I'm telling you. You don't know. Ema ya ni je me fe ni kele neko ni me nenemi. Iya bu ya de Nigeria ya tota. Je no kokomo. They no go free stay. Akate ma pegbe nere wepo. Umeti tota je no kokomo. Wa je we remi. Egbese wa je we pe ti e wepo. Na me dey tell you. Good evening, my darling love. Again, we are adoni je no kokomo. I tell you, la wo. Why ya gwali winner? Ja gwali winner. Oh, ye ma we dey eta wasi. Start from somewhere. Agakpagbe wo we ni adasun eni on lowo. O ma understand? If man no ye le pele ni winner. Eri o je leje. Edeso do wa kan pagbe wo we so do ni obo ni we o oga kan o. Oga kan o. He says she says she cannot work. She needs to work because there is no way she can do this thing without working. By age, I think Yenu Kokomo is 51 years, if I don't make mistake. According to Asite, they talk her age. Me, I senior Yenu Kokomo, maybe a year plus or 2 years. Yenu Kokomo. In winner, ni me winner, wait me like any mega winner. I mean, I'm not like no year Betsy. My like but what to do? Especially now you be old age you are relocate area worry. You need to strong because imana kevin yana. Bi nye pepe jone u level kia my people iwe ni yakugbe. Iwi na be school. Ebo vena we o ni waka ge school for na de 3 months wa ya je ni wa je for na wa. I work at school. A school not supposed to be major of 3 or 4 months enough for you authority. In that year for almost 2 years plus. I started working 2020. I want a kazi mene in a wakba in a winner. Na agwali winner. I start from somewhere. From there, in a swing, in a register in a life school, working 2 days school, working 2 days school, working, that is 2 days school in a week, 2 days school in a week. Eriya beg. Eriya kalo, na yo kadokade, na yo kai, ina ka ibogri fo, ina la airport 1 fo, ina la airport 2, upon not. Then did you did you know that Osalopa they say no guy? Only a tiny me in a setting with Zambia in our pass here. But the computer class, everything. I pass everything. In my PT class of Bagbava. In my fairly winner, in my fairly school. That is the spirit Yenu Kokomo. Me I got ye school ubeso equifiane. Salo bwege school se baba. But si I can't we dokma orafu. And really. A doctor on a gelifo. You understand it, Yenu Kokomo laho. You know easy, my darling. A weapon on my easy. But a weapon I give a quality will say, or man not give a weapon on it. Umebe, una will say so way. It may be not have temo money here, or to revenue to agie. But what I see in Yenu Kokomo, it may sound offensive or to her. But what I'm seeing, my people, very maybe fiancé. Well, we get maybe backbone. This one is not just Yenu Kokomo. The spirit of depression, of laziness. Nega lama wake. Yenu Kokomo, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Yenu Kokomo, umana sope e vena. This crime will lead you to other things. For your medical health, where you are strong. And more lazy will come again. Oh, here we break about the presses on Yenu Kokomo. And oh, here do hear me damida. You know what I'm trying to say? Who do hear me? That is oh, here your message age where you go old past your age. You understand? Oh, here your mind say age way. If you know what is good now, please and please and please. Go and look for any job. Start from somewhere. Ave the day you are 60 years. Mayani, maniwa kiye kewaso wenana. Wa get a pension is 56 to 57. I'll say a kongba before you know it. Or wait bane betion saloboa. Iyani kenika wenani pension. Ekenia na eti we. Iye mo hueva. Osaloboa be yeti di benima. Mabe ya overcome. Yenu Kokomo. I am sending you this message with the heart of a sister. With the heart of a grandmother. Okay? Meleru nevi anybody, good or bad. Ima bege gbena mami, manabe imi egbe asaga. Good or bad. To mi montai, ubinu gbe a live video, de do ba me wo wa. Me mami saga pa no kian ji mene Suzy Suzy, de gbe wishi wona, ogwo kian gbe saga ni. I might be a saga serio. Understand? I might be a saga panori me. Oh, he might say to you, oh, saga help. Oh, we garage me not working. They are the growth they come with we David Bukuke when Mother garage people are the daily whoever will lay hair, get our tomato see. Did you back one? My support is kumateto to our trade. So that character of a bomb like Berry, he has been into me for a long time. Because who were man you want no work, but where see your Zoe go to the garage? Where see the garage? Where see him? Or say man came who garage or can say man working. Go on, una get one get working. Oh, man, understand. So la go no kokoma. I am just sending you say go work and stop begging. If that begging no go do anything. On a real worry 50,000, on a real worry 20,000, on a real worry 10,000. Ija, unwe we can la lo sere bunwe. Are you can't gather all those money? If you get money for your account for Nigeria, you can't say, okay, I get another property. I feel sell a journal. I feel use a take maneuver. Maybe you get another 30 million. 20 million go to business. Let me set up myself for another 10 million. Renovate a flat of power. You go stay there. All those countries. You know, electricity in Nigeria, for your information. Ugbeso. Here you pay for 2 hours. The remaining hours in Orike. Here you pay. Ugbeso fan wa ya o for yenu kokomoga solar fan. We are there. O a charge solar lamp. O a charge o do da wo ke wa se Nigeria no anwa mogba good or bad. Expenses in Nigeria yenu kokoma, I'm telling you. Every no amaleji said you cannot go to Nigeria the mekere no do tama mewe e hon pa kan ya rieva ra e lama pa no ra ohoko pa no ra wumi say who must to me say we yemi. Who must to me say and you go to where wagon on 11 agame who take your body back before you know 1 million hoi before you know. I spent 3 weeks we are going Nigeria that day. 3 weeks I go Nigeria on the 28th. I come back on the 29th. My people, imagine my key, imagine my home. A bank me ya we ya na me by myself. Ina ye be an extra euro ni die legbe. I me ko ye be feel boy ye be fear. I do video when I dey area na almost 2 or 3 times like that. Nigeria ya feel. My people, you gonna go in my country Nigeria. Make bay. You make bay. Me to be me na anya bye. Thank you, my darling Ogogo. Me to be na anya bye we you gonna live in agame. Jenu kokomo umeti mabe wa not sama wewe jawina miza otama we. Maybe you see it as an offense words because that person didn't put it in the right way to you. Maybe you see nana miyewe. You understand? Maybe you see you say Edo is shining in the evil hand of APC spirit's word. All APC members, you and your generation will never know peace. You understand? So that is it. To me, una fi yenu kokomo we a video na umana like ege sono we edo ti ebo me ba la gbogbo a video nu ya vie mie nu wa video gospel wire we saga no. Nu ya avie me de no ki e blogger fian e ko ya na gele balomewa o ma understand I ma set it be o we o ina o ma o deni e dia be dori enu as the spirit lead me to do it. Let me come and give you understand but umana riye only a problem but a day are ye o ajenere ebi ya ni tell you way. Remember one thing, if you have in Nigeria, don't let anybody deceive you. O maga kuwesi ona wuje mi kokomo problem iro wa adi o wa bi je me adi o wa se adi o wa bi over me o mani o ga set ne no we am we kira mo aboy e bi wa ga je do gi ane pepa na na ti poto hi aba no na re Nigeria e ke no de gbodegbe oni uwe emi adeva opa uwe oni problem you feel just like you understand you feel just to say okay life goes on but wait can't be say you get paper Jenu kokomo, you know go fit stay on. Beto oge ma woman atami maybe I'm 50 million in mene mo mi Suzy. Ni ariye Nigeria ni ya stay o man USS we get gbowe. O ama. O ajo pa word man wa jeva we man. O ariye me ga ye beto oge ya tota Nigeria manya ho ya wese ijo awawa. One hospital gbero. hospital gbere Nigeria ime wa kan je Nigeria mano me ho kakabo to si ho aya go gbe ni dueki be si go na roge maleje bono be ma vasoma ma understand yenu kokomo please and please once again I am telling you now as my dear sister that the reason you never feel like working again in Europe because my son no person at all. The reason you not feel like I don't want to work again, I don't tire to work, and she no say Nigeria dey cost. Maybe the reason you not feel and where you win at the webo. Oma when you are winning winana, ugweti wonona. Oma when you are wonona, ugweti. I'm telling you, those people that is asking you to go and do this job, they are giving you the best advice, my sister. I'm telling you. They are giving you the best advice. I'm telling you, the best advice in you know. But when I see it as an offense, sometimes they are imagine where everybody have different mindsets. Even we are reason, me are reason. Even we are Yahweh, me over me Yahweh. In it, a penny may or he make it. May grab do tana. Another person may come out and say it in another way. Another person can give advice in another way. But or he may the medori no way. My darling sister, what I say is you. I am putting it to you. Itabi yeke work or what I am not having ye cover. Oh taho. Umewata mawe. Duari ori. Uaveri waje mere. Umanari waje mere. Evi no siye na hina. No when umana onu wina. Ima onija wina. Iwarie Nigeria. This is the spirit of depression. Take it or leave it. On our offense, yenu kokomo take ewe as an offense. Take ewe ido insult we no. The truth has to be told. E mata watama wena. A depression your ma de lazy. A depression your ma ya vie. Understand? A depression e deso aro. O mana depressed for one day. E deso aro. E bugwe gbi hu we no nyagbe. Bet nu pa gbe nu ya hwe. Is going to do a problem. Who are when in your cancer? Where we na hwe na you. E deso ro mana depressed. E vayo ye na goku tabu nu. O amega gbuwe. Bet we ti panu yari ra e. Different way no. So yenu kokomo, please and please. Okay? Rise up. You have experienced a lot of enjoyment in abroad here. Imagine akatenu we yenu kokomo. Ukpa wari eki. U denita, u ya leva, u ya le fried rice, u ya sowo, u ya luwonwo ho ya luwonwo gi u gele enjoy gbo so linyajo u lore dejo or you can that is you know ho we ukpa wari Africa shop wa seba ya degile ohun na gbegile eva to mana na igile yin agbale kugbe eva aruwe opa polopa atun. Do you know that is 20 euro the last time nigi yin sell 20 euro e de soro we wari 40 euro wa degile nu ya ewo wa. We are converting God to Nigeria. Oh ye dedegbe but you won't do it because was it umegoni. Okay, gbeba very when I got in Nigeria. Gbeba very oni. He say one of my mama relocated to Nigeria last year. She stay 6 months. She run come back. Okay. Meti stay montama we. Iye nu kokomo magijo wa dege ni eya yo wa se. A oni eya go wa ni ejo wa se 2 years ago. Whatever ge no ya jo se. Eya ge Nigeria na. Ye nu kokomo oge no. Iye go ni me ya dele mi by 2022. Ejeki. O ma se 300,000 ya gbon ri oge. Even ya dele mi by Nigeria be last year. O ma se 400,000. But Nigeria ni mejo be je na bi agbon ri ogo. 800,000 naira ri arieki. Agege malele mi pa wa re. Agege malele mi pa wa re. You understand? Agege malele mi pa wa ni re. And she get passport. She has passports. You know kokomo. Have a spirit of depression where won gabo. Have a spirit of laziness. Won gabo. Kame orioni korioni. No gives anything ya kon wa o. Wa. Ma debo won gabo. Ube usoma no rie we bono be do songo because we bagwa lego say you kokomo. If I not beg any we are begging hona. Ona guy Guy, yoga mana na mi o mana gbaze wa ke na yorion. Yoga ria na mi no to ma bu nu ye. Very well, I beg we social media na. If you say no rugwe be, he said, nah, 18 years ago she go as okay. I don't really know about that. When we beg you go be social media na. If you say no rugwe be so we isha. Hey, these people you have been helping before. Because they will see it as funny because you believe you get weapon, you go waro. To them, all you na me we commit crime of panokwa. You understand me? Iya biya, erioji. Osaloba go say Nigeria panobia man strand. Jenu kokomo. I not dey lie to you. You no go see person. We go borrow you money. Akatega broke you in Nigeria. Akate not the same person where they borrow money. The only thing Akate go do last, if you get good, you go sell them. You go buy, if you get hard, you go sell them. My people, if you get good, now only good now go they valuable for you for that Nigeria. Or if you get house, land, all those things finish. If you carry mama bag, that make away at the buy. If mama bag pass 500 euro, you want bobo, you dead. Other mama's bag, you made me 500, 400 or something, and my boy buy. By myself, he told me, I know they buy. Or say wa begania. A mama's back here one me says the guest in Ekmotono Jeme. Ide. At least I'm not a deck 200 or 150 or 300. Yeah. Or get better when you gold. Because Osabora Osabora gave me movement by Nigeria. Back where. Yeah, me go to Viola Diani. At least. You know the got in him or the hero marry hero. It's an answer when I say you got Boniri. Yaga me 15 million cash. We bought, we met a video. Oh, go make bash. But I put it 500. I can't hear it. Even or go make 1,000 or 2,000 naira. Especially olo social. I mean, Bele Canning and even no Sigoji. Yani and me go na ya woni sanoro. And you have a deck over your no beg away. Yes. Louis Vuitton na hina. Make a course na hina na. Guest na hina. And you can set the back over on. You understand? I don't just want to go to our daughter's side, my darling. You understand? And you can set the back over on it. O get a point simenia. Or maybe for example where Omanogijiga eduaki go to riere or aqua wall sigo or blackbody and lopa or Nigeria best by ban echo nyaga. O get a point simenia nukokomo. I am putting it to you when you stand on your feet. I'm still repeating it. Stand on your feet. Kawe a spirit down on your yanioma. Salopa ni kano mo hiyo gberi. A spirit down. No, your man see you na ya degi yeke. Kama salopo wait for salopo be ni cannot hear him when gberi. Jenu kokomo, please and please. Please and please. Stand up. Umami o no sike we no say. Detu mi o ma sike. No sike we at this moment now. It's only that person on set drag you. But get me uwe ni meji bana. But when I read the same place, but I can come to you and drag you. Understand? Yenu kokomo egwi emi no sunu da we na. In a scientist way, in a scientist way, this is what we call depression. Eteke as an offense, eti doro we yenu kokomo mo. Emi ni tama we no wa take ona ya we mi wa jemere be dowe. Eti do sagawe. Eko ya balome, wuga avie, beti ime mi ni aseti you. Understand me? Ime mi ni hiya meti uje. The only thing I met you know, oh, no, I do yari budi no. Because me yebe muna make you na renesi, in a fit, in a wear a fit. You wear the 1 hour in a lawa. In my na de video in a woman. Nika zege ya huene, it do logger de kosoge de homenai. We are in Nigeria bana, or get the meow the melena ni logger de nania. It do work boho no jello. It do get bara yodi zenofa yodi e bariejo. Idori eni tanotio idori etefi varie ju we waso fi gboko mujo o home na ebi agboni rugi o salo ba ka mi pa na abu mere Nigeria pa na igo gueme ya kana mi igo yari wa beg go jenu kokomo uga pa una ari Nigeria iya na do leti mo bobo nu una ari Nigeria ilejo alere jenu kokomo weti copy bi Nigeria o ma understand eri egbo ene sunore Nigeria gie di wona no kegbe no bera deno hamosalo pa be ni kawo no mo hiare nu di wina no kegbe no bije deno hamosalo bwa we ni kaw we no mo hiare no Edegbe maya wo ko maya sin mama ti o ko ni o ko bo salobwa. Every born of a human being we sin every day. Good evening, my darling, blessed Dominioje. Every day we sin every day. You understand? He said Iyenu Kokomo has tired for herself. She has Euro passport. Exactly. That is the reason I'm saying it now, my darling, where oh here I did depressed. A depression power. When I say imagine only why where imagine that they only did the guado, but he give a video on our vie. I listened to that video. I watched Yenu Kokomo. He watched her kakabo. He reason her kakabo. Now we know this woman, her enemy is depressed. If only she don't, even though you tell her, say she's depressed now, she will not believe you. She will not take it from anybody. Oh no, say not my bad, I take it as an offense. I take it from anybody. You understand? She will not take it from anybody that is true. Oh, yeah, me get the depressed now. If only that you understand medical system, or I understand the way, wow. Oh, yeah, me get the one depressed now. Amen. How many wa ya was say? Yenu Kokomo. Swebe ya wasi hiri. No ya back, but Golaga Vanana swim with day 11 or 12. From there, waga mi go no me salary. O we gbe do ahon. We no ka win na deji. O magi setigi wina. Yenu Kokomo wete gbogbo to tanu wege don na normal. Gbe ni Yenu Kokomo no win na wina because we mana win na lebo. U mana win na Italy di me. Italy di me why? U mana win ori 0-0. U mana win ori no pa. U mana win ori no pa. U be ri no pa. Italy di me. Ugwe mana win na wege setting a passport in we. You for nothing get up. You will go UK ekina gwali go say we now pagbe wo we fio because for many years in we be UK get to man win get to wa lazy we set as go we set to said then we say okay locate suddenly we will be Italy. Fine, Italy is good because the economic of Italy is very low. It's lower than UKO. At least Italy you can manage Italy Italy Spain, Portugal, Greece, or civilized Africa country. Oye na go ekenanama Italy we your mono we are Italy ohun we makwe ame be edeso oye na me to Nigeria egbo ma gbe. I understand Italy very well. It's a country that I stayed good 5 years egbe Italy. I understand it a lot. You understand? He said I think she is suffering from kin in Europe, kidney in Europe. No stable man in Europe. My darling, listen, to find a man, she have a beautiful station. On a beautiful station. He gets a better station, you know, she's not too fast like that. Yeah, when you're waiting any you know, all those things. And then imagine when all the jog, you'll see you a very sexy woman. It's just that now. You know say bear very only way no she very only you look come on fine woman she get nyash on the shape you are gonna beauty be any not go there you understand and she say young lady she said a young grandma by age me I seen you a yenu kokomo I seen you a yenu kokomo according to her age maybe 1 year or 2 years she's not too old to walk but it's just that something is going on okay something is go on you say I know her here in Manchester. She was a very hardworking woman. She was working and also making hair. I don't really know what happened to her. That is what we are talking about, my darling. That is what we are talking about. There is nothing happened to Ije Kokomo than is depression. Only if we accept. We accept we eminana Erika Geleje. What is your nana? You understand? Anything that have to do with, okay, I want to feel lazy. Why? I feel lazy in a way, and laziness, a depression, whatever, they are all the same. You understand? It's just that depression have different type of symptoms. You get me? Necessity back, but we are young winner. The way for one can win out you supposed to know, say, not be ordinary. Ordinary. Jenu Kokomo, stand up. A spirit, Danny, Gagay, Buweri, young winner. My darling sister. I take a video na as an offense. O salo boave ni kawali di meni do we video na bedona son onwe. Gui the video na fwa. No gui eti do saga we eti do moki we for eti do saga agele de we. Eki jomo kekebe we humanity feelings. O ya me we video na na. O ma understand me ye no kokomo. Try to be strong. In a way, a downfall of a man is never the end of his life. or no devena, or we baby pack baby only when you work on it. Any again ne suni, no ya like that way. No. If you give space to that spirit of laziness, spirit of distractness, spirit of depression, a spirit nalado ya vieni, una kie hune no lawa. Or can setting overcoming way. Although overcoming, maybe she is doing all this because of her daughter that she has problem with. I don't think so, because having a problem with her daughter, that is another thing. Iye nuko koma desong in the ba I make no more vision agree. Oh, so go no ro. I respect. Oh say I don't just want to put her old daughter a matter from inside. Iya we no ma build you all those small the way they just say so. That na that character they not get respect. No working in magbe error. You understand? Iye no kokomo if he stand for himself, yours now. Make it not they care for that pikin again. Oh yeah, or pie never whip on me be. Or even no yaguadigo, or young, almost such a guadigo yari bay. Why you no kokomo go carry pikin responsibility they take on the journey? Oh, or man, you no kokomo women may be in Nigeria, make it tamuena. Me marry that kid for your information. Or then wo boy go medali. O mother son, a bed the day I go mena. You go mena ni kwana. Ukiagba gba iga ne ni ayari emi iri eyo popa. Onyo si o ma ro no me very we go me he. O ma no me very we go me because e gbe de ya go me na. Emi no ko mi ya wale no. Emi na je tonu won ma yawo. E the best thing ari no mo. Omo ihun aro ri e dia school. O je school no train e. Yogi yin. Ida je school ya wina. O ya e omo do. So far na to time back where e ri ona fin ri ekin. That is how I think e ri o keke ni life ya je my darling people. O ma understand? Then me me set with responsibility of who bani me training the school to move by women. I cannot do that. No. I cannot do that. I when I did every pasa of it be no pia. Oh ye school, a university boy, of ya win a part-time edeso or 6 the no be mecha 6 of ya really at now 6 hours, 4 hours. Or more ya me gift no there in me. Me gift no there. A net yawana all day, a night shoe ya post a bar. Beson ari no rek bomone long time ago. E bete gare, or that's what we meant. Or you go your vacancy, Ni ya we cake. What's your bonny? Or you go your vacancy, ni ya we cake. Ija ki osak mo say me. Or why you go your vacancy? Ya je Nigeria, yiti moto. E jipi ni wafi no go me no for your information. Ive gwafi yak be by jenu pa ni keje na best 2022. Imagine moto. Ide. Understand? Ya e table zao. Maybe not in next year or next 2 years. That one garrison. You understand? So yakin pa or that for me or you go obe mommy me ya degile rise no for igo ni be degile bu no ka ya dizokpese no for meje Nigeria be next year no go emi ame uzokpese no for ni me bo na lorry no rugbe friji ona ga uzokpe va bu kiwon ni ka mo be last year na ye fo den na pe ya mo zokpo be o e cousin me no reje mi ogi day ona dize no mommy bi adegwe ona muze no for ona mugume kosi ya wa mekido ya wa boda oda fun e bi ever back ya ona muze no for ona mugume na mai lo oni wa ruwe freezer o mother the only thing me lack na ya gbogbo so anytime ya dem Africa shop we ja ti go me dem Africa shop keke abodo se maybe ime varie imo gbore me wa me fu gboro no rupangolo or ruwe freezer you understand so very meje obi meti ke Nigeria team e baba na odo ka ma mewe ije ko jiye jiye ko ma be deri ge kime o tefa ke kan mi am neye iye mu mazen mi aneyon tefa e be pata iye mu mazen me ne o tefa ke kan no the only person yi won e go be Nigeria we are go gioma e monti agba e go no bo me gba ka mi je me go no me ko se ma bo me webu e 50,000 me bu je mi ona re 50,000 go ru sere webu 250,000 in a month iye mo ni o ma gbogbo ejo eko uni agbare okin ko bi otino e fa no go e ba o ma fo den e jeme iri ge biscuit gie ofo ogi gbera ni ne aba go because e deje very at grandma you guys ofo ni gi mo e o ge ni me bie no ro ni no ye school ni ano the whole and one era anybody we go see we go cut am go give am me ra because me ma fi gbe ti yon re wepo na yen na aro gbodo na mi aga o ha ki me mu efon ati egbe me no me o ma ri go gun me ya o na me no me ibe kana me na ya me respect wa no go gbo wi je la go gun me go gbodo ija ima be stop mo to ati stop we gbe dede a no I don't do that I'm sorry ime e be ni ya kwon me take offense or it dey offensive or it dey rude or a day where I hear call a please, nobody should blame me. That is how I want to live my life. Please. That is how I want to live my life. Come to Europe, you don't want to come. Okay, finish your school, you go marry. Then your Nigeria make a dem abroad where I dey. So far, I not disturb me, make you come give me money. Make a take chop. Now, so I tell to live my life for why we he had to do thing okay, I got body we gonna give. I not they give her any money, my people. You go about my okay, the marry no one. Yet I give you no man. I not they give her any one error, and she not they disturb me. Waiting at the whole life, I they go Nigeria. I go buy shoe, I go buy clothes. I go buy this one. All those celeb dress we are wear because we the other day use the same sign. It's not too much of goats. All those have a good need there. A sorrow, imajo, a sorrow pajo. It will be packed. If your gear, it don't about all those fashion thing. I'll pack and yes, Nigeria. Is you no running. It can be 50 euro. You get with you. Courage to be more Kai. Grandma, thank you. I love you, baby. Oh, I love you too, Grandma. Erima veje veni wadorima. You get? Erima boy do veni emo menye je because who bano. Emu get the banya. Is just with deve to he. Unu get pa of with deve to he. Your mama no better 30 years in a baby. No. Mema is 7 of me wepo. I never reached like that. I never reached 30 years where I hate our brother. No. So I cannot continue like that. Ido say mu ye say mu na gbeso uruabo na hen yo henre ve na gwagwon uruabo o si ne kakakaka because ugboloke anoregbe ini ya anoregbe have feni ya e ya ki o mane if you not say lo 50 years back you cannot say well all we be the med say when you have to be told then I egbeji iri Nigeria ba kwani ani ari ogwo even ya disturb oh you understand. At the never time where you're not coming, you're not going to worry, a doctor, usually, hey, that you my brother. Don't decide on my bad, don't try it. Every baker man where everybody you are really getting who does you? Who does you, Mr. Ma? When I was paying school fees, did you join me to pay the school fees? Do that fight you? Who are you to decide for me on my behalf? I can't my way, he has said the gear. Won't you go there? Apukomu la webona, idia webo here. What's your body? I don't want to a woman like we go here where who we making Nigeria living a mobile home or I will decide you can wear what is where I get who does you? Every bit down when my brother is a slip of tongue. Why I'm only be mad with. Don't try it again. Having the time at the aspect of it, very only anger issue in that part. In more poverty respective also big part in it. Don't decide for me on my behalf. Ya can't go nega na carry go nega no na just na see the school ina to the me ken wini kashifa wini na lemon wini hwe wini pepe owu no na ma wo gba wina to the yesterday na ye bere ya wina ma wo gba wina ma we ro gba pa be gani we gi yen bi agari get ki bi owo on behalf of you boss man na ye be me try e decide me. You understand? Go to this to my page where all those information they my number they there. Now that is how I live my life. Yet do fianya gbe na we idigeki ni ewo mi aje Nigeria wan re no vi but ma wa latin ya dizoko idoge ma de ri ate ma ri kada mo pay the expenses ya do to me okay I know that is not a problem but for me say make I come open my voice I say my pikin take 200,000 naira I not the try my people why go mo kuna no verse I not the try ma understand cause your leader do hewe unu ege ban saloba no lagogo no biato ale no saloba na 50 year afia egbera nenia no saloba la no gide de nota ba material da wag money egbe no do 25 years or 30 years no do buy na okay make we call in who get my number may put on for you abeg who get my number but one condition you understand no nobody should come in let us just do it like this because I'll still cut I want go bath tomorrow is a work again I don't want anybody to deliberate on ejenu kokomo matter no because call in you can call saga I don't need that mo just said that like that let me just pour my mind I don't advise her so you don't feel it safe now we just talk about how to live you understand according to some people are writing it here what about her daughter or another I said I don't want to go the side of her daughter those children where they born so they not they get respect in said yo my David ni mani jomo ya ke nemo yore na himiena deri ma be ya ke deri ma vijima erinya ya ke nima kaga gbema when the name Violet the Violet name taking it by first man was a boni Violet ma ya take korima o ma understand e violet he ma ya te kogima wa bege mi ata mama iwe me meje na na megi obi mekise egi bon because ihe adori go do neba we no ya demi gumeveki sister no ya demi gumeveki omoji piari eki odo pakei ah ori ekara odo fie kara o ma understand me e madanga gi fie kara ne ije no kize no fo o mi obo kunwi o yesu egbe ya ye mi ogo owo wo kana ori sai moto o sie ma baba ki lepo ori sai moto ori ege obi yo ma ah o we gbegwo no na ko ye baby ya ye ko ye obota o we call me me ebo me baby ya die mi mo ye seye iye la o ori pe kara is enough for na adegi me na ori e das enough for ni iye is enough for na je ni go ya je mi me ona 5,000 ona 4,000 ona nene 1,000 ona ona ije over 5,000 aje I can have 4,850 naira. What my beg go? Of you 100 something can he wear? We make balere ebo me. What wa mo council? Oh my say, balona baleno pe mi na amu give me aye karafe. Name. Amanya wa ya we say people. Why gwe? O ile ke wa pa. O le sekere na hie ne sa. Ko mazan. Ko isa. Ebo me be ya jo ye sema. O be ri kara. Edita na amu give me be na hena. O ri kara dai. Ini go we rubber and black ini always 50,000. A rubber custard me always 70,000. Uzokbo always 250,000. Always 250,000 now. I gave a 245,000 naira. Can you imagine? Any time I give my you quick at Avena. Imi obey my people. Why we anybody that concern my relative, they're not the bad food stuff. Can't give me oh. Iya je oh. Egedi yad ni ayad degume. O tell me my late junior sister party ademi men on la oh. Ni babori ya lare no munya okin egbe imagi mi o ma gie igi anybody me ya do de we fa kiri 20,000 naira amanya wa ya wesi when not e mata na ni won kwati o mata diva good evening my darling igi o ma understand igi. So what am I trying to say that Eniaje, you got one of my friends who get pikin for Italy now almost the same time this my friend na ma o me pregnant ora ibo ko no ko ma ya fe fo gba wanre me ano we bobo o we me 2 weeks ago o ma said go gira degene gbe manara era no wona 30,000 naira ge no ya la webo 30,000 era mo you see 30,000 naira be dera ra webo na o te babarire be se we ta me da gwe won yi bi ta na me na ere ase ise gbo ave me kosa ko e gwa la ro wo je do ba o ko wi ayado o ki obi eruda yan ifias o itagbera wa ni bana o gi me mi ade ori gere tata back to asi o here we me with my brother he answer pe eri or no my people you understand. So all those new generation children they know they get time now only we they take and say we get papa for Nigeria we get mama for Nigeria you understand eti me yeta bana wuki agba I greet you my darling diva ige wuki agba iwije ge mi onona atoku bege so eri oji emoya okpa ya fefekin no more no me no ma as it is now upon all my pikin I value and pass another thing I value and pass another thing iye mo ego ma kuso kon pa no we no strong gore egbe dede good evening my darling edo egbe dede me give ya song me etu e me ya wa wae ana we na se to no ro na fe ju hotebu eto no ko no ru we o ma say 50 e do cover ya fefe a passage now all is white head unu egeba ya ti emu ede ya to ye kai wo we ere pe ba ni abesun me ai wae ede no hian garu we o yira ike no won maji ito aye gbede ya kun igo no bi obi okano obi ale kino eme energy for what na iye no kokomo I dey talk I no talk about the pikin you that one no concern me because she's a young lady iye no kokomo strong please if you dey strong you no go take away meje me aje Nigeria ti me hiu orun mi ahian go me mommy maleje yes mommy maleje e mommy na orene mommy re o mase mommy na we dey yes so iwa you my people cause akat en gbe oko yikin ihume gbo akoko yi me gbe na ya mi o ja yeye awoa yi me gbe na mi o bo ma gbe me e de gbe bo bi ba kwa ni an ibe pa me ibe ya gwa le ra ede uki agba e government ni ama ba gbon ari oba nu awon na we wepo na iyan je mi logo ma Iye go when you avoid your account. Oh, bele. Oh, ye ba. Yes. Ovi me akagi ye fe boda fin ye fe be me problem ki agba me abeka me o kwe 4 million me ki ore be bare ko agege no le ki agebe gbunu joni ege holiday are me ke holiday me my holiday money is more than 3 it's about 3 million. My holiday money is more than 5 million in Nigeria money. Yes. Why not? On my birthday, May 27, holiday when I was on my account, 2,800 and something euro on a year bitty on our account. Okay? Or you work bania a tax refund. They said they will pay my tax refund. November the date in here say you may make it no hina. November so date date in na yari tax refund. Na arieri. Oni biara kantiba. Ibe dori gobe na te social fund. Oni biara igbe. Ibe gbe dori yoge jarabe. Oni be se 300 euro job bonus. Oni wa biara akati. Igbe. Ito mie salary. Oh bubu yoko. Hippopotamusi. Oye gedegbe. Egbi. Igo no rakati won ye gbi wo. Oje gbi wo. Me a smile. Wo smile ore re on my. Wo smile. At least Igo ni mieje agba Igo ni calculate Igo ni mi. Baby obi okwigo, imaye university, imatie master, imatie nenemi elifa degree, imatie batie no pa yi. Ni asete no pa o theory degree no bachelor certificate yantia. Men ati no pa. Imatie beti go no mano winawe oye company me gbo igi me po lose that person. Ewe bonagi gwadi go seje no kokomo. Enu tie my darling. Ewe bonagi gwadi go seje no kokomo. Yes, so na me dey tell you. O understand? Ewe bonagi gwadi go se. Awa gwadi go solve your back. O understand? No so for desima. Me do ki obewe awa ho. Government mabo egbado. Other business in oro wani am me bagbon. Wa ota yukun ya igbalo bi okoni ri egiwa. Ogo be no ro ri lapa. O si e make up bag me. Oye na ga fi no come back. E di here di say. Yes. Eta dueri. Elisik even though you say it's 24 euro. Ikwa enamigo ya dawe elisik. A powder. Easy empire. E good dele. E java be diva. Nenemi java. Nenemi palette. Ime mercury palette. Ime festival palette. Ime nene nokpa. Ime fi no come back palette. Ime hippopotamus palette. Ime ye palette yogba. Igbe kiko. Ime ye kiko yawo. Awa war. Ime forever beauty obije kinami ona wa sende go na gwalo nene mi oba nene mi dike ite gwalo e bejo mo ya we hola ti give boju kopa gi mo yeti order yo because na color me ime mark ime ba ime lori la con e foundation que no se no rame no ime powder ami mi opa ni me nene bi na gbeje bi na no do abagogo ime ni siki amon panya ya se spare next month iva like na na perfume ya me perfume high nene bi oko if you la dia winter perfume if you also to no ya no kokoma beg is spring guppy no be spirit of laziness ifua the spirit of laziness wa kie hu ne no lawa on your floor spring god we beg me yenu kokomo agbago ma yi sometimes ave go we competition u mami o ma agegwe gi me do we mami o ma go we competition we agi me u ma understand we beg me agari when I say my people na good money o ma understand ya agaki when I say my people na good afternoon o my people na good evening o ikimu na renesin na 7 hours you ina pe na re eji ina ji for 1 hour ina do lawa o salopo me ni go do I ma understand o inwina magbe jenu kokomo place do when am oboge ka wo be Nigeria o ma let's put it that way we are in Nigeria nwina be mana no sigo koko me we be Nigeria bana only just stay in Nigeria bana for example ya nwina for 1 year ina koke 1,000 euro 1,000 euro 1,000 euro for 1 year let's say ore bareko 1,000 euro giaka we eje ya ti koke 10,000 euro example o tegbera o ko me wa ye 10,000 euro 10,000 euro mega fin me naira be na ni go no eke do ibosego eke no ba 20 million biaka we me na say 18 million in Nigeria money it go reach 18 million for Nigeria money. You understand? You go reach 80 million for Nigeria money. Uwe gbe gwale kere ye buy. Or ye gbe wo. Do onu ya we business. And the supermarket in Okwa. Na na can be provision team. We gba mu ne store ne. Who can he pay me yo? Why he pay me yo ne? Wa anwe na wari kere yo. Wari wu na wari kere yo. Do onu ya stay in Nigeria we. U lucky no wari in Nigeria. We ke we ari in Nigeria wu ware mi yari in Nigeria. Gani we in Nigeria no we ri. Na na gi sokma. E dia wa be se wa ti e webu. We do receive treatment, we do we check up in your fair, we do big business in it, we do ya the ticket we are di. We do we check up, we check up in a muse na we robo. Where or market. I'm a Zara in Nigeria, a Zara na Nigeria, made in a basen in Lolishano. Better Zara, Ivana Ojive Webona. There's Zara na be rockmo, Uroy, Amege says, de Bestari, Uroy, de Magono, Uroy. Oh no, Uroy abe pepere zere akate. Okay, 52 years, she's still young to work. She's still young. She's still young to work. Uwa be roy, my sister, we be re, mommy re webo, mommy ke webo re o. We be ro yes, so be kana we say ziwo. Understand? Me miema, you have a business in Nigeria. You have a yewona, you have the way check up or whatever. They tell him monsignor gbe ave sege ya gwale wona be wona. They too monsignor ya wona be cookie woni. You have a lele gbepa. If she no check her depression before she go Nigeria, she go run, come back like exactly. O ma understand the yenu kokomo. Eru aya meti mi kan gbebe Nigeria, my sister. O ma no dia ki me. Ona kama me gen relocate. Babo e na sevi yo. Ika don't know ne ba ya mama. Wa ya mama every year mo wa ti gume here. Sisu ka mama guri owa. Wa ti gume. Egbodo ka mama. Good evening, my darling. Egbodo ka mama we. Egede ni ya mo egbe. Yebe ni ya mo egbe. Yebe ni ya mo egbe woke. We shogi go na ase. Ebi gan. Gigo no na kin. O figbo ni go me ya do figbo gige me ki na. Na take ye e galoro 20-something naira. O figbo 15,000 naira the kings jerrycan. Je 5 liters. E packet magi. Ume. E gille me hian ze gille. Ini go ya de bushmeat. E bushmeat e vide. E den ya de bushmeat. Ina de ha. E ani de na yo pa le pepper soup. E vani de giye won pa 45,000, pa 40,000. Ogo me na do 40,000. Ina do 40,000. Cause ogo me no maka. Oro wa e gede gbebe to maka aboka na wete ya le pepper soup. You understand? We are here 500,000 are iye-eki. Orije my people. Not be lie. You go salo. Except that kate no Nigeria. No knowledge you can. For many years in Iyala, but don't say oh. Mona be me la we 28 years. Me fianye age mere 1997 March 6. A year na be March. Egba be 28 years we bu. Next year egba be 29 years. 2027 we tun salobo egba be 30 good years. They need to say Nigeria to arrive a second. Yimi obe o. Me a second me ana dizoko we a we yes o mono ke o na tori. Yimi obe my people. O ma understand because u seme edeme la webo. Begin la webo me la de France. E France ma na tori na ke do cross ma la Nice. Yana do cross ma na Nice. Latally. Begi tori be France. Begi ki ogba be Paris. Ogba ni we ga ma mi egbo ede be Nigeria. Arwojo my people. Ami egbo e ya ye ya muswa. Ina wije o baba ye ya ye me ye ya ye ya muse marila we o tsene ina gele ki ogba o shishi o baba o ina sago do e ko ye ko ya na ri wo baba fana mo lawe puna we ni kawa o me people ina we hi okeke gwa aba ya fefe ni agwese wa la we boni e we bo me wa jina because I dey visit many akate that time. Family relative if they come. 12 o'clock, umi ama. Ave sister le biye. Umi, one bogo bag bogebo. Oh, salopa me nigo to manari oja. Awe na atwa kate. Akate. On bien yeti mana one. Aba atwa kate 12 o'clock. We mi sister ba o. O ha gala palo. O me sister ba o. O ha gala palo. E sister ba ye biye bo be 12 o'clock bi agbon lori ogi. Wo fe to ago ho ha we sister wo wa mare ba o ape o are ba o e fatari no ma won e akatelu we ya to na re fata na we o do sister na kwa kede na iye we wo re no wai ha go na ba re kokini ma no pa go re fata ba ni wo do sister no me conscience no e sister pa no cha mi je me e ime me Igi jo sigba ha mame sister ba o. E sister ni kedo pa. 12 o'clock over here. 12 ye ari ege sister ni. Oho emi amo we imai. Imame sister ni. Otu na dori e ganu pa. Nene masona ina ye masina ale hu we sele. Nene masi fofo. Adu gba yeke. Ona ye na ge. E ba me do awe masina ori mebege ni. O wa loko ya na re ere bi mai. Second hand masin. Otu we mebege ni aka to we me o. O understand? Iza ale we mi se ba o. E o aya he stew o we are. How we sister no ke we bori. Megila we po na me na we me abege. First time me ye Nigeria we 2010. Me meti be 7 here ni. Ina we anaga ameme ya. Ni ana yore we 12 o'clock ya we sister ye bi o ma ye yore ti aga ameme na egbe na ni ya. Unta wa no ko mi o pa tipi gbe ju wa. Na kana passenger se no na o. E be flat na be fence o. O ba ru ga pa ba o e be latia. Hi salo bo be sister ni ya we be ga ni bi agbon ni uwe. I me be to anegbe mota na gele ge sister na. U ba ju ogun ya ma wa kan kare be passage. Habe mi amao haba lesi wijoko esi wa ukoto kutu oga ba kakakakabela geze bipu o ize umie wa izeri bieki e de soro ogwe majari he baba bi logo ba si gbe oba no gbe ni eyo ve wepu na iba po ga lava ni gbe akate ni eja tu ni eja tu 12 o'clock baba ya yore bo be ya ga bie bo be emi amo be ya kun eni e kun mi imae ya ga bie ya de yore umi ani ari gi moto nu awa ya iga genia o tira mo pa kan to to me o wi mi e ka be muri 4000 e ka bi amopa 4000 igo ni ari nero e na ika ma be dokpa baba ala transport bus re because igo ni meri enu we transport na o se meri be wo nu o na be mu mi we wa sha time moto ade o ye o tiri me na be do agole cabman no si o e plan we holy cabman. Now, JJ proud that they worry them, Madali. You can say that today. Baby, she go out in the night with her friends. Now, Ija, Madali. What on na koko what on na? Where will the sister na go? Oh, see, if I very on 12 o'clock in your baby. 12 o'clock in your Agnes. On my phone. 12 in your yeah, or give her. Or give with her. Where you go? I will sister here. Obi me e ko gaga me. Ije me no biere o te ba nesi alu won bi hiabo. Won bi hiabo na iyon bi rugwe. Ni mi ayare e ba se ba ni me kai no we o expire ni. Igwe de gbere kedi kere o. We gbere kedi kere. Ni ya re ba me bo wa. After o je be du won bi hiabo won bi bodon. Ye ko bi pa. Ye iso wa. Ije me ate wo ire nu gwa yi. Ikagwa seke ne ba ye me obamaro yi tobo me kokere. Ye wa kokere ne ka muame. Me igaro shiri ba ye be go tu gwa ma be ye ba enu wa. Ikadori ba ne we unwon bi jo mo ko mo nu bi je me be ni je me di aya le e boge fa gi fi ojo o. Igbe boga gi lele ba e o. Imami we boga on ye business. So fa mi hu ya so wa. E sister na yore be 12 o'clock. O ma gi gbe be ye hi won bo be kedi jobodo. Ige ti ya to e o ma no ke we bori. O ma gi gbe be ye hi won bobodo. Ave sister ni medike wepo kire be mege ose mo pa no be pokwa be jeri agima be mege wo bo kana do to be mere me mege be osafe owe oride iyopera me agbono ge bira me jira agbon owe mama san owe ti owe iye na dia wo gba opon na ogbe gbo pa me mi akateria na ore opon owe ani ke owe ye na wo bo ke yen opere yen opin ya e na ibo isi e na because omo na bia bu hu me people. O ma understand mana yige taka driver ga gbon kokona akoki mase ira le marade o ma jigo ji koki ma vijive o ma understand I ma do eki ije be machine aleyin ira me fi tanka eri yanwa me ma be na ye 2 o'clock ayore e we bodi bi aje ibe do ya me ebe e bere gwa ya nwena nwena kedo mi ebogo mi ibe mi ebogo me na be build them my own self or build a me na kele bejona or see a benefit today am I e peru opa na ogbe be ni jomobo e possible de ken wana gbe in a criminal case. You top of me put penny from 1 year to 5 years. You can penny. You can la pay Johnny line. You understand, my people? Major, you say we don't go to. Ija, ya ba bi ebu owa. 12. Wumi abi bae. Agwa. Agwa ye biye. Ha, e gbe se dokpa wa be je okpa be yo. Otun ye kin wa be ka. Ogwe sister, ne mi agbono yota. Or worry, My said there, oh, we and I go, okay. You got the con, what's the star? Married to sister. Oh, no, no, in a quota I come. Oh, which one or no, near your 12 o'clock. A Joseph no minimina. Mary Madali. Near your Iriono. Otwana do to where I me fantakpa. They call a mega taleniji. It will waste the transport in also very zoko. We are second later in the day. It will ya wasted to ya to read one. Now nearly 12 o'clock in over. Say 12 o'clock. Okay, was it baby only? And not by my people not your measure. And the nigga like weapon and I will come and will not get my galejo or glare weapon. West say Barbara you bought control. In a yakan when I will weapon. Irie any ajaja many. I me. In la weapon on my say to wisi. It's so a dodgy go filo ye Nigerian. Who does you? Who does you? Oh yeah, good at me. Yeah, one whenever keep you go. One sister on it. It is good to be good. Right from what they lovely me you know go see person will not go like me. Because I'm a very social, lovely person. If you do man in the army, you are going to go now. No go me dodge you understand? Anybody or team madam, many of the madam, you are demi again. I Western Union, Miami, you are again. But my few. E protano umijo wa vega no massive ya fefe I wa pe wa ri Western Union ya mu luggage to mo yu we peti no kwa I lo de si omo me ro ba go bi mejo e pe score ge e ri ya ge I sie ya u pije me ya se gbe powder ge this whether na shile they call that powder where they sent where they blew this thing I go buy this one buy the other one ya se gbe na ya zole yo I dele iya me ya toge ya mama da me we e se dele bi vi yo wa oh I give madam me ka ge ya e madam me ya mo luggage me e te carabinieri do me na va luggage ni e da mo you know the triangle you got this stubborn kakabo you know the triangle but only my way near the here na so I tell live my life for my people right from trying to we born me go pa we ni anawe the gbeya mo me de we ma say ma ejo wa mother stand but at my age when me give eje na nia avec benara na lowe de ne gbe be kin o ma re ne me be yi ane o ma easy egbena ya nwuna for 28 years be webo wa you ga enjoy life we wuri yemi ado where you na here you understand so I decide since 20 let's say last year I conclude already I said I don't go to have time for family relative again anymore no this time it just go to be me my own boss self by the special grace of God in 3 years coming or 4 years coming my son is already ramped up in a school level where the salobran say no ngo yai kokene inoro o dia ume inoro ibiri ya wije mi perfume ije mi butter wa no me osomoken provided no what this table no live a life for that just it or say ya na uno mo both passport both everything he has everything can decide to go to Canada to go to UK go to Australia really he's blessed because he suffer yazige school ne mara ma doji ma fi peteke is my old sweat uwajige si yakokomo una suffer yakokomo omo ni osalopo age agbon we mai omo na jigo ji kokko pado awu nyaka waka na so de bin ri ogwa be amanuwa ibi agbon ni ri ogwa ya amame you understand me that just so I take it upon myself since school no ro ma be stress ni gbe osalopo awu me so da fun me no ma me agbe ni bi rare no so me gbe wo ori me no be say ra gbe ra be do re but one na right now do abezo nursery to even what respect nursery to secondary I was the one nursery to primary secondary I was the one so when you get to university ona wa me get I understand the work this is the time you understand in avera gba me gbe my vera mama my colleague my colleague say more than 6 months or 7 months but he communicate with his father right from time imagine I when get gwera gwa yeje I have never done that once. Because I agree, you know. You understand? A big aroga, 1,000 euro. For instance, if it be 1,000, if Papa go break 500, I go break my own. So only my stress in me because at least I have a happy hand. You won't be not setting with your boy me working me. On I may support you. Me to be me maybe Obama make me. Do you understand? So that is it. Again, you get or see a equal. What wa me na? You make me na ya you no. Osaloba no la no gegbe na me aro no gegbe na me agwe me ya wa nwina iga go me yekeni aga eji ma understand ya ga yekeni ni aga eji ni ya ri okweje gbe me ma understand me ni awa ya ri okweje gbe me we just ikesi na me ni adze ona ya adze ni gbe me imana me wa be go me giva you understand obi are me ba ni you make problem but a stress do I need it I don't need it or my cousin won't ma, la wo sister, la wo, yete wani digo na, we sorry my darling. Ime, ni me ya loe. Yigiri mi no parokpa no ma. This is the time the young when I bet the day yakun go nana. Mother's time, ekun o kweken, uruwa bo o kweken, enya o kwen, unwo o kwaka, o weye nyeke, again na, ego ni kwana, boma yakwa, this money belongs to me. And I'm going to enjoy my money by myself. Egeni kabi yari ekerebe nugwa do we ka wa kwa no me marry no a problem about jere egeni kabi yari 20 20 50 jere gi carry no we no pe for how because ma jere do that e yogi mejaji. But for the moment I don't want anybody to stress me. Now so they reach my people. Ma understand? Una train no mo wane a law na hina where I train no mo ona gi wane. Okay? And then me la webo and then the responsibility when you ramemu and then you're close. When I know say I tell na say I carry belle. When I carry belle, my pa no drive me. He carry me at the house. I no go carry second belle come. Now me tell my mama say I want travel. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, my darling Agnes. Now me tell my mama say I want travel. Mama say, you want travel? Because mama not be person way, or be all those yow mama. No, she not be like that. She not be person way wise. Say hi like that. I say make it don't worry. To the instead, my mama cousin say want carry me travel. On na kawaya mewa. Ina wa hokpon ho. E madani. Anyway, maybe they come back on already one because he hear in. Ina kawa hokpon ho. You family relative here ya work was that is the reason I respect my madam till today. She don't relate to me in any way. She's a robo woman. You see, this is the reason I cannot do resist. My mother is a robo woman. Now, robo person, I carry me at this my brother where I do. Not be a obiera, not be obije. Not be obiera. Not be say I not get sister for abroad. The same father, but not the same mother. Even though they not carry me, no problem. Am I agree? No. I go no bomb a for the way boy I give mama. A sister in the meteor 12 while I get make no reality in Natara. He may tell you be a job with Mrs. Stabby, maybe you have a moment travel, better sister be 12 o'clock. You already 12. 12 sister, ye. A sister, you already 12 o'clock or do beg where. I told me vegan because I may swai. You know, I can't get that shape where you can be make boy. All those kind of things. Sanati, sale. And they told me vegan, I take here back in now. Imam, you at 12 o'clock, you are away. Here, where you have over. May say you bava. Yeah, you are calling a judge over. If you wire in your Nijemeleu, had in your football team. After I in your football near Logomeco, because so women on a bomb of women. They have another car driver, and they have a coat town Saturday. In your sometimes one yam, my fancy battle okay for in your bo. Our Sierra is there, Rubara will not about those one for market. It was Sierra or a bomb of women. Now make you before you see my sister, we no sabi cook. It hard. Or I mean, go to body pot roja. Ya la ko di nya no le porridge no o azize o mi ogo ya le o ma mi ogo ya le o awi pepe o mi o ba fomoru o magumuru o ma mi magi ya le o asofi gboja le e logo ma be ko o si ewe kedo mi ivisi mene gwale bai ologo because that dog mo body pot boy and then maybe for example o ame wagbo wari agize fa agizokpa o wale sometimes I say one of my junior sister ugbe so say manaro we no dizero wa ron sister give our o wale e deso ware akan wa be we mi so ara wo kan mi aje o iwale o gele lo teme na gele bai ni mesi mi pogi sen je ba o ga le ba enu o ga o listen ni vega ni zekere ne o we nu se me na eruta ma vega ni sister eruta ma me ba iwe wore do be asoti we ati we wa e gele wa nyeze ni won na ma le wa ri ezekpo mani ni pitipiti ni wa ri o give a message. Oh God. My sister, my brother. Now so all of us we did this abroad. Now so we think ourselves. Nobody was born in a golden spoon. If your papa get money, your mama get money, you for go America or you come here, you go school. You not small say you come this abroad, what would they so everybody come strong together. Now so it be. Now so it be, my people. A sister ni begani. Ya gele ne mi je we ya gele ne ye later we. Or be two wedding or work wedding or you're 12 o'clock in America or begani. Ukoye mi adeko. Me agele no. Those one he already 10 o'clock on up me again. Umada sa mi agele nemo be ke nemo ho ni ko yon pa me mi ba kate no aya to wa be ato le o se bi o ma so wega ni ha be koki no ma ho be to ho na 12 o'clock e yore wo be on yo gba ya we gbe e to ho mi 12 o'clock o e ma bi agbon ni we ani ra o una ti say na joke at the talk they not they see this is stuff for why Oh, why be Begwe na receive an we may be your party. Allow. We are one always start over. Or na be kwe mi eba o ye. Na be mi eba o. Mada okinebo no ke we bo na be bege ya o. For we Ami o. Gbese 12 o'clock bi ye won se na re ba fa no wa ge Nigeria wa re ba gba ha be de. To wa gba. Meri ogo gbe na oga fa se 12 to 1 e ko gi agyo ma ye na bi ye me. Ime eche kekeni me na ya atore ya we gbese ogida baraki bi ye me. Iseti we me go no gbe me ya la moto me iseti go de gbe do ya ada me be ya won do si do fi oboyo ewu. I need to go to my father's house. Erio no. E ari owa. Erio se. Eje le te why ye le te ya iseti we. O aga de wa gba obi otin ari mi ni ma for we. O iwa de kunje me ko mo mi ko je temevo. Etemebe to ne me yare. E dokpa ireje me go ga atawe. Ye ma gi wan o ime gi lawe bone. Owo wi e ma gi wan se be yan na ne. Iyan awa mu me. Ere ka be je na de bi kere. Iya we to bi otun ni adegi yeke. Ko se ni yi ma o mi. I pa fa gba ha de me atu egu ma ni 12 o'clock e hiore bo we. 12 e yore. 12. Ona ya be ya ki ko nuru no le yo le re bo bi egbo ya me kateria. No ke we bori. 12 e yore. Igwa pe give we va to 2. Ogi no. Otun e kin ta mama igwa pa be de sister na wa do hiore. The senior sister akun me amobi. Wa eko a sleeping sickness. Me pa ne. Me gi la weapon I call it say suppose say just know for just carry me that time o. Ye ma gi wan sene de. O ma gi wan sene de betu na ho gi mu eko. Ima wan na mu eko gogun me biote ni bioi. Egani na ya we kia ni ya mu eko ni. Wori eyo me gogun me kwakwari eyo. Wa bega na gbon wa gbon e. Wogun wonya wa gogun me nya gogun me kama be na ya ran Wogun me kama be na ya ri eyo e. Una see wetin be see una see wetin woman dey do woman. Who no man e dey pa ma. We e ma gi wan severi oni ne. Iya wa mu mewa. Travel no say I don't grow rich like that. Mati Jesu. You no know say I don't, but you hear say I carry belle. You hear say I born. Person we kon fi bon. You con dey feel say your sister. Where me con dey greet will be mates. Your sister, eki enogie la, we go lose spare passy. Okopa. Eke no to we na ti mo kieva. Do ba no gi tamu we gi me hia seti mo no to we money. You we na do ta we, o ma gi wan send video. So people can use system take. In your system you are insult we. Then they thought they feel say because you don't get money, they don't know say na insult na you dey insult them. Na what person they do person you. Bizu gbe ki ag bizu gbo. Even na me bag money hin. Ya insult ma. He say no say I don't grow with the. You ma gi wan send no ya brought it. Yo mo me le we. Ano ti ne kere ni me do atwe. Oti oni o se veno. E ke no si whether e ti afan da we big men on ile. So di me ma ya afan da we pa be big men anyway ma egu ho si we ke no si. Wo to we ke no na me re kia ni o gi me be ro wa. Gbe wa we bo me. Abi a we lele o hippopotamus ya we lele. O ge si epo wole lo ge si wa mu we. Yo, that ati no wetin she dey do. You know what they do? Deva. Omoja wa no. She's a very someone person. His sister no yore be 12 o'clock. Omoja. I am no una. It is where wu maseke no re na emudia. Osoloba wa be tawe eyin omume la webu. But they so be mume la webu be do see me. Odo we ke gbe the family na be see egbe we you see egbe we you understand. E do do ama treat me. Or me do we on a here maybe we so we do ye gbe ya kan gbe. So we no ma be mume na ni maybe ya gbe won kan. For instance, my that sister Jo I come meet her for Nigeria. We come see for Nigeria. That sister maybe we come see for Nigeria one day like that. Call star maybe ya ye or ye say call star. The no re yeri mai ya to egbe. O no gbe 40 50 years in a way boy come ebo. Of here maybe your mom we gbe na kanana those that how they tell. You go do they stay like 35 years now. Let's say 35 years we about 30. Cause that time they come they could they make an we maybe expire be again you go wa you run nyafu. Understand it. So again you be 35 years, maybe 28. 7 years in a week, I allow it. We are bracket back. It's not our alpha, but our way. That's why they be. A boy, I be beg any a boy, very to beg him. Yes, so you have a healing now. At least, you go senior with another kind, let's say, another kind 6 years or 7 years like that. You understand? So maybe a maybe age now, you will be another kind 60 this time, let's say. a senior sister, you better say, Varo senior sister. Maybe the same mate. This time she could be another 59 years, 59 or 60. Let's say so. You understand? Now too great to and pass. You don't have a good idea. Now so, a good idea. Yeki omenenia ye apo ezizi na kanania e gba egbe tete ni yeki ni egbe tete ne nyadi tete ne nyagba mother stand gbo yeki gbo abe tete because na person wey get body that is small she tall get body small you understand although when she dey grow come make piega but she can't get body based on say abroad don't enter you understand so na so they be madali amazing people if God say you go enter Kafashan you go enter if God talk say you go enter Australia. Even though no matter any to sabana highway star wherever you go fit enter. Now that one that be just be that one. Mother stand destiny can be delayed. It can never be changed. Oh salobo tie. Again nade Nigeria again they talk and say yeah can nade the wajo or a tower ball any place where I just go whether na pastor if they just see me always but you talk and say now you my way agbado eki always boy na wa bego wukana I swear any place where I go any our time we are going to be Nigeria even when I'm not even ready to go abroad even when I'm not even ready to go abroad now so that they talk and they say God it be well it be exactly my darling you understand so any place where I go where where Wuhan where you bego Wuhan you beg ebona ya beg iye-eki when iye-eki ya tie beg ni ya beg iye-eki any place ya beg Wuhan be iye-eki although my abroad of 18 when I dey ready to come abroad he had me well he really had me well but when I enter there is no day the yari book agma me no say ya se me we bona we a day aro you go kabu bome no there is nothing like that you understand even that time where I can't even carry belle self you know they talk in atama me beg anywhere erovi mena not be my order for me I'm married so they talk at that time in your way we are order for me I war in your way order for me now so they talk if in our me beg anywhere one will look on now do now so they now it cause when it happen I believe in our tradition but it go musu not be that kind of type. It was only saying, man, I said, you want to really, I don't know, say, Ija. When the Nazan did on me, maybe bed, my people, 5 minutes after 12, why came and not me, everybody know where they go. With the pace of the time, we are your way. Oh, my understand. No, see me from my bed, I war. Me, cause no, the rogue, or my there is a dogu, mammy, no, there is a dogu, or mammy, or the I say, go. Everybody knows how they do you waka. I don't really believe in all those things where in a world war, in the spiritual world they exist, I understand. But say how to me where other and the believe where commander bomana ajo or maga when it's angry or person was so very right. That is my belief. Umana ne hati na yasi oma koto, ume hati na yak bovoma, ume oma kedo women no we sekenuje tolo. Not be saying I go con. You understand? All logo, always see a war on my baby. Ana bioba. That is one thing, my people. So in all those videos, what we just do since joke day, we joke, talk about sister, we not the quick wake up, we talk about everything. But the good thing we did for inside this video, and I be say, we all need to be strong for ourselves. As a dope people where we be, we know they carry last. We are not born to be a lazy person. Never. We are born to be a lioness. We have that heart where we take the struggle. Our papa, struggle, take care of us. Our mama, struggle, take care of us. Why we, where they use strongleness money to train, no go fix the struggle. Good evening, Madali Pemi. How you doing, my love? I my children. You understand? I understand. So you know kokomo. You are born to be where we can not strong. Be strong. Stand. The only key. No ya iti opune. Our doses all piakpa no set ya gear. Even now ya no wa no sunu that when you are experiencing now. Is to strong. Stand to be strong. What try gather a threatening or logo but uga try una metigele ye honey una ya stand is threatening. I swear a spirit of laziness in no tama we nu ga na webo be na na me ga webo na gwadi go say a spirit of laziness in no gi kama we nu are in Nigeria awu go down na we nu are in Nigeria be no man I say no ya passion wa beg we that spirit no hia gia he kwa no be say na go come Waje Mary. Any mini job will do me or 2 hours no 4 hours no. My sister grab berry. Grab berry. Oro pano lako sero. My normal laki ni ero. Just that what to do. E di agbita gangwena. Ari amigo. Understand? To mami wina niya. In your case, you don't want to work. You look come on. Come on, please stand up. I beg. If any buy. Back, my sister, no spring up. I go and face the reality of life. That's just it. If you me on it, beg you. If it's na, egg where umala keveni yatai, understand. Get the party no ro no man ro. No ya encourage boy. Uga mo siesi no gugwa. Ona kama wegwe no gele ari Nigeria. Waje Mary. Wa se Nigeria. Wo metik be 3 months or 4 months. Igo phone. Wegwe gbede wa bi we bebia eto adefo wo de generator urupare Nigeria urupare obetio salobo ge ni kauro beti si ege ami electricity oge boyage ani when ya de Nigeria be so 3 hours ukpa omo na bia bu hu bi ere hin ogun ya gbe wo na ya ma worry be gwe na kate bi aseti bi oyi good evening sweetie. Go to my page, my darling. Go to my page. Oh, we are the number lad here. Understand? Omona bia bu on heaven no wajeda bije. Understand? On heaven no wajeda bije. So we are about to be strong. We do we mamni o again we are strong. Ah. Salopala. Mema sen we again we are strong. Mema understand well. Ima sen we again we are strong. Mema se. Ati me winana. Eti me winana. Ya ibe pin boy because again you lost. Huh? Yenu kokomo. Ime wina. Siricho. Yeah. Tell you nabe. Okay, sorry. Ale Then get dog by. I don't put my darling. But you are a big power. Yeah, pana. It's in Niger too hot to okay. Too big, eh? Uvenore Nigeria, my darling. I don't like you. We are gwa. I don't know where I go. You get where I go, my darling. When I come back, Oriona and Nimi. Oven. You make any say you're there where I go that day. Oriona do anime. We are loving. Ina do love ye. Ina wa palame kwe. I don't know where they go that day. Make any kid. Oyeti ma Virginia ya demi. Iware. Or what's him where Mommy Suzy are talking away, we want the rest. I not just want, don't feel like to walk in a way. On a mere master when you first say, I don't demo out to rebuy. You know what feel where a mirror parok by Venani Walano, Ediwayahwe, Iwahwe, our Louis. Igi Louis. Ha, Nuna Gilevie. You know what, we for good 5 to 6 hours. You need to yari. Ah, my strength not come back. Na wo salo boa me. O veno wa gbogia me baba na. O veso ga igbo we do ye meta. You go etason, you go manicate you Udo ye gbe we ya tika we na go no de you we bon roro abeji no ye. I beg. You know kokomo we ti copy I dey tell you ona ge ne de lasi gwe bi ye me. He. Why worry locate ari Nigeria na ye decide go kian ka jore ne. Kawajo ya gege enu gini go na ya kimi. You understand? Eke we me build one no my go na we no ri go no na we another ri go do no na those things we ya Udo ajose aggressive yaka we no marry no all those kind something we ya you know kokomo blame mama rock marry go no wickedness. It's just that we have fefe wa marriage that is just it. You understand it, that dog we wa beg weapon that dog me ye wu ma ya wa mo ye wu ma na yo we go sell. Everybody has his own whole problems. You understand? In one way or another, my wabi mem, my wabi pass through, my wabi feeling, my wabi solving it. Bima, I eat a mere way, maybe on one human. When I get old age, especially in my yani, we the same bracket now 45, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51, 52, 55. If when me 50, no, you go, no, we hear me, me. With them, with that dog, lehiana, gidigby. You know, come. Ibate also we again no ya tuwoto o krakata kiti igbedimi krakata kiti igbadamu eri bate songo ibate also awa gba na my sister okian domade is a query, everybody is a query ajena o come everybody they struggle for your life awajena. So eri no madali amazing people. He say, mommy, you said it. Oh, thank you, my love. Pemi also like you know kokomo beg a video no ya no there. It's really touchful. We are all one. Ni ma own we also know that any marokba. You understand? Anybody that love you know kokomo, anything you have to support her by advising her. Please let us stand up together and stand with her. Try to advise her. Advice on need we again. Ego ni wa veriene is okay. No we na veriene wa wese. Understand? But never it is where that dog me problem okay. Again I go anybody man with you, but no, because that dog wa me problem okay. E ma soro oni e ko ru pon go o ta mo sani e me buru e gbe igwo we. Understand? We me nu we ma se. Ono se na yi tale gboma. Understand? I tale gboma. O sa ba jogi am amo Asaboro bania. We can do me high. So what is the reason in another atale gbe me? Ati u bege so never more Asaboro or we want that stress of it or activities of it. No can have a G. Pemi come in now. I did you send a request call they took him a call. When may not be many, that will call it the normal call anyhow. I been call you then he call you when you time many call. You understand? So that's so it be my Pemi why I call that will call it Johnny call you. Well, because Allah here who. Little, yeah, what